Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back for another Thredup Rescue Box unboxing video. This happens to be the shoe box. This is 15 pairs of shoes. I forget how much it is. I want to say 90 bucks, but when we open up the box, I'll pull out my invoice and let you know. They call these rescue boxes or reject or DIY boxes. Sometimes the shoes have flaws, sometimes they're in great condition. It's all stuff that Thredup is trying to move out from their warehouses. Maybe it had damage so they didn't accept it on the site, or maybe they accepted it and it didn't sell, or maybe they just have way too much inventory. I don't know. I'm just really thankful to be able to buy these DIY boxes from Thredup. I have a bunch of other boxes I have unboxed on the channel, so check those out. I do want to report that my last two shoe boxes are paid for because I sold a couple pairs of shoes, especially those Tory Burch shoes, those Birkenstocks that were in my last Thredup shoe box, so I'm excited to get another one. I do have a confession, and that is I'm behind on my shoe cleaning. I need to get to those shoes. So I have to hold myself accountable and clean those other shoes and get them listed. Let's open this box and see how I did and how many shoes I'm gonna add to my pile of shoes that need to be cleaned. Okay. So let's see, this box is from Phoenix. People ask me that sometimes. I live in California, so most of my boxes come from Phoenix, and some people that know Thredup. Is my shirt like totally see-through? It kind of is. It says Johnny Was shirt I got in another Thredup box. Sorry. Alrighty. Let's see about this box. 90 bucks. 15 pairs. Yeah, 90 bucks, 15 pairs. Oh yes. I love looking when it first opens. What do we have here? Okay. This is how it comes, friends. It is not fancy. That's all right with me, though. I just care about what's inside, right? Yes. Okay, I'm feeling pretty optimistic because when I peek in the box, I see some boots, and boots can sell pretty well. So yes, it was 15 pair of shoes for $90. I'll pop up on the screen exactly what that is. And as I go through, you guys, if I do any research on any of these shoes or on name brands, I pop stuff up on the screen. I'll try and make a little click sound or something so you know to look. Let's get into this. Okay, these are just a pair of white flip-flops. They're this brand, Hawaii. Oh God, someone's gonna correct me on this one for sure. I'll show you the brand. These feel like quality. These don't feel like your dollar store flip-flops. It's something like Havana's or something. These are size 41, 42. They're white, pretty clean for white. I wash everything, every pre-owned shoe that I sell in my eBay store or Poshmark closet. I wash. I at least wipe it down with like an antibacterial wipe if it looks, you know, really good and ready to photograph and sell, or I do a deep clean on things. And yeah, I forgot to do my intro again. This is like becoming a pattern. Okay, I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. So I buy these boxes so I can turn around and flip what's inside on eBay and Poshmark for profit. It's a side hustle for me. You can make money doing it. It's great for the environment. It's super fun. And so this channel is all about that. I'm a full-time psychotherapist, and I have another channel called The Grateful Therapist in case you want to talk about mental health stuff with me, like anxiety or grief, or I'm doing a lot of videos on working with teenagers. So if you love a teenager, you might want to check those out. Anyway, so these are Dolce Vita or something like that. God, me with the name brands. I know this, I see this all over. Dolce Vita, I think is what it is. Super cute suede booty. I love it. Brown suede booty. These show some wear. Like you can just see like the toe, like dirt wear. This is what's called a stacked heel when it looks almost wooden and stacked like that. These look like they've been worn and loved. And so I will note all of that in my descriptions, in my listings. I put everything, and you'll see my little finger pointing saying like a little bit of wear near the heel. My business strategy is to under promise, over deliver. So I want them to get the boot and be like, oh, it's better than I thought, not worse. Then you get a disappointed customer. Let me tell you if I see sizes or anything, because sometimes you guys fall in love with stuff from my hauls and you want to order it. I do that with YouTubers that I watch. I know. I'm like, I need that Free People sweater. So I don't see a C size on these right away, but they're cute. Cute, cute, cute. You can find me on Instagram at The Grateful Queen. You can email me at thegratefulqueen@gmail.com. Just find me if you want something. These are Lucky Brand. I see these shoes all the time. These are a size 10, and these are a popular shoe. They're just like a slip-on ballet flat, and I would say these are kind of like, they're not quite gold. Would you call them like pewter? Really great condition on these babies. Not a big flip there, maybe like 20 bucks or something. I'll take 20 bucks. I sell lots of things for 20 bucks. Yeah. Friends, I want to take a moment and to make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. If you're subscribed and you turn on the bell, you get notifications, and that lets you know, hey, Quenby just is going live right now. She's doing a live Thredup unboxing, or she's live every Friday night on the channel. So make sure you're subscribed. I do a ton of unboxings if you like that sort of thing. Lots of educational content about reselling, and we'd love to have you. So please subscribe. So are these fries? No. They're Free People shoes. Let me find the other one. Oh, my first Free People shoes. Now, if you're a friend of the channel, you know Free People's my favorite brand. I've made like a million zillion videos on it. I love to wear it. I love to sell it, but I've never found the shoes. So this is cool. Free People shoes. I thought they were Fry for a minute, which might be even better. Size 37 euro. And you can see these need to be cleaned up. I would never personally sell something like this. These are just like, let me see if I can find the other one. I mean, really, with these Thredup boxes, they just throw everything in. They're not wrapped, they're not packaged. So these are like a patent leather, but like a distressed leather. Super cute. I don't know what these will sell for, but Free People anything does pretty well. Not my size. Kind of a square toe on those babies. That makes me happy. I love getting Free People. A pair of sneakers. A pair of New Balance women's size 9. I'm stuttering over it because it has like the Euro size, the UK size. I don't know a ton about athletic shoes, but guess what? I sold the Nikes from the last Thredup box. I sold those Avia sneakers. If you are interested, I have other shoe box unboxings on the channel, so you can see what I got, and I'm reporting on some of the things I sold. So these are cool. I mean, they've got a little bit of wear. They need a clean up, but they look to be the integrity of the shoes pretty good. They just like are dirty. Yeah, I've gotten behind on my shoe cleanup, and I feel bad about it because the first couple boxes that I did, I said to you guys, hey, I love shoes. I love the money I make from shoes, but I'm not so great at cleaning it. So if I'm gonna order 15 pairs of shoes from Thredup, I sure as heck better hold myself accountable and do the work and clean the shoes. So those other videos I did them like right away. I got out there on a sunny day, I set up my cleaning station, I just got to work. Done. But then I set aside all the suede shoes. There's probably 20 pairs in a box, and they're just sitting there and they need to be done. And here I am opening another one. So I've got to do the cleaning work. These feel awesome. These are circa Joan and David. Joan and David is a great brand, but the resale on it is just kind of like okay. But this is a really gorgeous boot. Look at that. Wow. Really beautiful. The leather on it is butter soft. It's got this buckle detail. It's got kind of a stiletto, or is that more like a Cuban heel that it's kind of blocky? But that's a heel. In my listings, when I go to sell these, I always measure the heel and I put that in my listing. I also, with tall boots like these, measure across the calf because I do all these measurements to avoid getting questions because that's extra time when customers are messaging me, hey, how tall is the heel, or what's the chest measurement? That takes time. I have to pull the item out of my inventory and measure it, and so I like to just do it up front to avoid those questions. Super soft and nice. Wear on these, a little bit of wear on the heel, nothing too major. These will clean up pretty nice. Any major flaws? The reason I do the calves is because I've gotten a lot of messages over the years with people saying, I have like a wider calf or a bigger, larger, muscular calf, so I need to know if they're gonna fit. And see this toe wear? So these will need to be cleaned and like polished up. you know, just some wear on the toe. It happens to most of our boots. Bad hair day. I feel like I'm having a bad hair day. But that's neither here nor there. You're just wanting to see the shoes. Mark Fisher. This looks like a nice boot. What is Mark Fisher, you guys? Look at the lines on this boot. That's what draws me to it right away. It's got a very different line on that boot. Really pretty. Mark Fisher, size 7. Anyone familiar with that? This looks like a nice quality boot to me, but I'm just not exactly sure. I love it when you help us out in the comments and you let us know what you know. I have this fear moment every time I open a Thredup box. And the fear moment is I find one boot, then I look in at all the shoes and I can't find the other. And I'm like, what if they forgot and only sent me one? Here we are, we have a pair, we're good. Those are gorgeous. Pointy toe on those? I don't know. This is a really nice boot. I don't know what that brand's all about. Okay, these are cute. For fun. This is the brand Cupid though, and Cupid is not an expensive brand, it's an inexpensive brand. These are cute though. They're a size 8.5, like a blush pink heel. And I like it's got this pointed toe, and then look at this heel. I mean, I just like that shoe. This would be like for fun. My guess is, I think these are faux leather. Vegan leather. I put faux and vegan leather in my description. Good box so far. Those boots are awesome. Another pair of these Cupid. Okay, I gotta research these. I got these, a pair of Cupid in my last box. They were platform, bright orange suede with a big fringe. This has a cool heel on it. Look at that. It's like a faux wood heel. God, it almost looks like Art Deco to me. So, I don't know. I don't think these are, where are these sold, you guys? One of you guys will know. And they don't have any markings. This is what happened to me before. There's no size. My guess is they like clip them together and the size is on like the plastic clip. It's hard to sell shoes with no size. What I do is I measure it. And I say, I put it on my foot and I'm like, oh, this, I estimate. And then I measure it. It's the best I can do. These look cool. Oh, these are Tevas. Wow, Teva's got some cute shoes. Tevas are like an outdoor shoe, like a hiking, outdoor sports shoe. But look at how cute these are. I think of Tevas just those black rubber things. But these are probably designed for outdoors and comfort, but they're cute. Brown leather with a platform wedge. These will probably do okay. Size 7.5. Condition on these, look at the bottom. Those actually look really good. Look at the condition on those babies. I mean, the leather's supposed to look distressed and brown, but, and brown, yeah.
It's brown leather.
What? I don't know. What is this? I don't know what this is. This is a size 8, all man-made materials, quality craft. I just have a feeling, is this vintage? It just doesn't look good to me. And it's got some like staining, but who knows? Sometimes I'm really surprised by these things. So I don't know if I can sell these. I can clean them up if they are something like vintage, or if they are a certain type of shoe someone's interested in, I could clean them up, but every once in a while I just redonate something. Who's going to come over now and clean up my living room? Because I've got 15 pairs of dirty shoes thrown on the floor here, and then I have a huge pile because I also just opened and recorded a Thredup women's rescue clothing box. So when I'm done here, it is like nuts. Like I'm just surrounded by stuff. So if one of you wants to hop on by, I'll give you some coffee. I have an awesome espresso maker. Okay, these are Tahari. I don't know how Tahari shoes do. Another one of these, like, they're like little elf shoes. They're like curled up. But you slip your foot in there like a ballet flap. But this one's got a cute, pretty embellishment. They're silver. I like these. These look smaller. They're probably genuine leather. I'm not seeing a size real quick. 7.5, the Valerie. Don't you like when a shoe has a name? The Valerie. I put it right in my title when they do, because maybe someone has these shoes and they just love them and they want another pair of the Valerie, and I'm gonna have them. Keys, keys, keys. Anyone know these? But there's like anyone know this brand? I maybe will look it up. It's like keys but with a T in front, maybe? No idea. They're just like a slip-on sandal. Is there any? They're leather. Is there any markings? They look teeny, like if you've got like a 5.5 size foot. Gosh, I hate when a shoe doesn't have, like if I'm outsourcing and I see a shoe without a size, I just pass on by because it's challenging. Oh no, here it is. US size 7, made in Brazil. These could be a nice little thing right here. 2 more beauties. Oh, look at this. This is gorgeous. What a gorgeous heel. Wow. So these are nice, but I don't know. And I will now butcher the name for you. Gianni Milanesi. I swear, did I just get these in my designer box? No, that was Giuseppe. All right, people, help a sister out. What is this? What I can tell you is that it says made in Italy on the bottom, and there is a genuine leather sole. Think about the money it costs, not to put leather on the outside, but to do the sole that you're gonna walk on the street in leather. That's an expensive shoe. These have got wear, but you know, let me try and hold them in a pretty way. Like somebody else is doing a haul and knows how to do this better. Like, ding, ding, is this better? Look at these beautiful shoes. They're pointy toe, classic pump or stiletto. Very gorgeous. I have a feeling those are nice. Who is buying high heels to wear right now? I don't know. Maybe some ladies are still going to work. These are Cole Haan and they're really beautiful and a really smart shoe. This is a leather wedge shoe. It has like a patent leather toe maybe. Oh, and they're with Nike Air. Oh, that's awesome. Do you guys know about this? I had a pair of boots, a collaboration between Nike Air and Cole Haan. They were black boots. They felt like sneakers. They were like the best boot I ever had. A wedge? Gosh, I should try these on. These have got a little bit of wear on the heels. They need a basic cleanup. Those are awesome. So I would say another A+ Thredup shoebox. I don't have anything in here. Like when I had the last shoe boxes, I got Tory Burch and those slip-on ballet flats. They both sold like 24, 48 hours for 60, 70 bucks. And I was like, home run, that's gonna help me. I don't know what in this box is gonna be like that super quick flip home run, but I got some boots, I got some good brands, I got some gorgeous shoes. Really happy with the box. Let me know what you think of the box. And I'm so happy you were here. I love having you here. I like interacting with you in the comments, so please do me a favor and leave a comment, like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye. Love you guys.